You've got 7 seconds to make them stay on the line. Not 70, 7. And if you blow it, that call's over before it even begins. They're gone, ghosted. Back to scrolling TikTok. Welcome to Relentless Prospecting, episode 16. Cold call carnage, opening lines that cut through the noise. Because the first words out of your mouth better hit like a freight train. You've got one shot. And we don't do second chances around here. Let's kill the cliche garbage first. Hi, is this Sarah? How are you today? Can I have a moment of your time? No. That's amateur hour. That's how you sound like 10,000 other losers who get hung up on daily. You want to be different. You want to be undeniable. Let's get into it. Killer cold call opener just 1, the permission drop. Hey Sarah, I know you weren't expecting my call. Can I take 27 seconds to tell you why I'm calling? And then you can hang up if it's not relevant? Nobody hangs up. Why? Because you gave them control. And you sounded real. Not like a robot. Not like a pitch machine. Like a human. Killer cold call opener. Margaret 2. The pattern interrupt. Sarah, I'm going to get straight to it. This is a cold call, and it might be the best one you get today. Smile when you say it. Say it with confidence. It shocks them. And more importantly, it earns respect. You're not pretending this isn't a cold call. You're owning it. That's power. Killer cold call opener number 3, the value lead. Sarah, I help real estate brokers double their listings in 90 days without buying more leads. Want to hear how? That's a sledgehammer opener. It hits instantly. It tells them who you help, how you help them, and what's in it for them. Now they're leaning in. The formula: your cold call opener must do one or more of the following. Acknowledge the interruption. Offer immediate value. Be refreshingly honest. Trigger curiosity. Give them control. If it does none of those, it's trash. Rewrite it. Tone check. You could have the perfect script. But if your tone is anxious, apologetic, or robotic, you're dead on arrival. Sound like you've got a solution. Like you've been here 1,000 times. Like you're not afraid of the word no, because the moment they sense weakness, they're out. Practice drill. Call a friend or colleague. Use each opener. Ask them which one made them curious and which one felt fake. Record yourself and review. Your goal: no hesitation, no ums, no upspeak, just power and purpose. Your mission today: pick one opener from today's episode. Make 50 cold calls using that opener. Track the results. Then adjust, improve, and dial again. Because greatness doesn't come from trying it once. It comes from mastery. Next episode, episode 17. Objection obliteration, crushing the 5 most common sales objections. We're going to take those dreaded comebacks and turn them into closing cues. If you're feeling dangerous, like this video, smash subscribe. And drop carnage in the comments if you're about to tear through the phone lines today. And hey, real quick, if you believe in lifting up entrepreneurs with disabilities, visit www.enablecapitalpartners.com. Because hustle doesn't care what your body can or can't do. It's about what's in your heart. Now get on the phone and make them remember the day they picked up your cold call. Let's eat.